Yo, what is good, everybody? S Crypto 101 coming to you guys with another video today, and man, do I got some things to say. Look, I just want to say that drip is the best thing in crypto right now. I'm going to walk through the reasons of why that is. If you're already in drip, you know why that is, but I'm just going to explain and really just talk about, the dynamics of the market right now, how drip is still paying out 1% every single day, and just why it's the best thing in crypto, right? Now, make sure that you guys stop what you're doing right now. All you have to do is make sure you hit that like button, hit that comment button, leave some feedback on this video. Make sure that if you're watching this and you find it useful, subscribe to me. I would love that. I appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit the notification button so you know as soon as these videos are released. Now, everybody knows what has been going on with the market. This is crazy to see it, because we are seeing all-time lows, not all-time lows, because the stuff has been lower, but in recent times, if anybody has got really into crypto within like the past year and a half or so, because I got into crypto probably about a year, so January of 2020, I would say. So I've been in it for almost a year and a half at this point, but from then to now has been a large decline just in terms of price. We've seen it. We can take a look at the market, and this is just BNB. We'll take a look at that soon. But really just looking at some of these things, Bitcoin at 22,000. When is the last time we've seen Bitcoin at 22,000? We're going to take a look at it really quick just because I am curious. We'll put it on a 12-month. And the closest thing, that's 29. Let's see. This is interesting, guys. So the last time we have seen Bitcoin this low is pretty much December of 2020. So that's crazy. That's the lowest. Right now, the price of Bitcoin is the lowest that we have seen it in almost, a year and a half at this point. So pretty much like right when I got in, I remember it being this low, and we had an all-time high of almost 70,000. That is ridiculous to think of. But hey, that was the bull run, and that's what happens with crypto. We have these different market swings, things like that. So if we just take a quick look at the market, we see Bitcoin's at 22,000, ETH is at 1,200, USDT is at $1, BNB is at $223. That's one I'm really keeping my eye on. I'm definitely going to be buying the dip once I get the chance to, but that is just something I want to say. This is not financial advice. I'm not a professional in any way, but this is not the bottom. Now, everybody talks about DCA. That is never a bad idea. But I think with the way that the market is now, I definitely think that this is not the bottom. So I would just be careful. You always want to time the bottom, but I'm just saying I'm, 90% sure that this is not the bottom. I think that we honestly will see 15K Bitcoin at least. I say we see $900 ETH. I think we'll see a 150 BNB. And some of these other ones, XRP, Cardano, Solana, some of these I'm not into very much, so I don't want to give a price prediction of these. I more so just want to give a price prediction of the top ones. I do think we'll see maybe a 25-cent XRP. I think that's going to be a great investment long term. Cardano, I'm not a big fan of Cardano. A lot of people love Cardano, but if it does get down to like 25 cents, I'll scoop up a little bit of it. And then Solana, there's so many people out there that love Solana, and it's at $30. So everybody knows the market, though, and we're at a point of where we have less than $1 trillion market cap for crypto, which is ridiculous. But hey, it is what it is. There's so much shit going on in the world right now, and crypto is going to be the future, but just not right now. It's not the present. We're getting to that point, but it's going to be the future. But this is something that you have to invest in. And, regardless of what project it is, if it's just crypto in general, whether it's drip, whatever you want to put as the example, just make sure that you understand the long-term value of what it is you're buying in. Because the thing is, this might be priced at 22,000, but what is the true value of Bitcoin? You have to understand that when you're really assessing the value of something. The value of something is not derived from the price of it. The price, of course, everybody's going to look at price because that is very important. People who say price isn't important, they're crazy. but you also have to understand that there's more to value than just the price of a token. So let's understand that, like Ethereum, is it really worth only $1,200? No, I think Ethereum is really closer to, you know, $7,000, $8,000, something in that range, but you just have to understand what it can do and its future capabilities. So just always understand that. And that's something that you need to apply to drip as well. Now, I just want to say one thing with drip, just to get started, is what is paying like drip is right now. There's always fudders in my comment section talking about, oh, drip did this, oh, drip is up this, what, blah, 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 Ponzi, whatever. But what is paying right now in this bearish, super bearish market? What is paying you 1% and is solid and is stable like drip is? The price of drip is $10 currently, $10.26, and that is honestly awesome. It has been stable around the $9 to $10 range for the past week or so, because if we look at the chart here, this is what you want to see, because you know there's a lot of panic in the market right now, but the people that are in drip, they're not panicking at all. And that is an awesome community here, because people understand the long-term value of drip. They understand that it's not going to go away, and we're still building in a super bearish market. You know, all the stuff that Forex has been talking about, just because there's a bearish market doesn't mean he's disappeared, doesn't mean he's not building. He's still doing all those things even now. And like I've been seeing so much, the best projects continue to build in the bearish market. So as you can see, the price has been very stable. It's really fluctuated from $9 to $10. And of course, you know, if you're a whale, that's going to affect your daily payout a little bit more than others. But, you know, it's not that big a difference. We could be in a situation like some of these other projects where it's at 10 and then it's at 2, then it's at 3. I mean, think about that. Think about how good drip is right now, how solid it is, and how it's still paying out 1% every single day, and it's stable. Look at that. It's already went up a couple cents. And you know, there's gonna be somebody that says, oh, it went up a couple cents, blah 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 blah. But show me what else is going up right now and is paying you 1% a day. Because that's the thing here is, of course, these are going to fluctuate, go up and down, up and down, up and down. I mean, there's not very much green here, but what, you know, you could buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. Of course, those are blue chips, always good investments. But how is Ethereum paying you 1% a day? How is Bitcoin paying you 1% a day? How is BNB paying you 1% a day? Let me know. And if you have something that's paying you 1% a day by just holding one of these blue chips, let me know. Let me know. And that's why I think drip is honestly the GOAT, man. This is something that is paying us out every single day in a super bearish market. I'm still making $211 every single day from drip. Look at this. I could cash this out right now. After taxes, I'll probably be paying right around $80. So I'll be bringing out $320. And this is for 2 days. What? Ridiculous. Think about that, guys. Think about that. And think about the community. Think about how many people are still bullish on drip. When you see something like this that is paying out 1% every single day in these extreme conditions in the market that we're in, the kind of world that we're dealing with right now, that's going to bring long-term investors. And think about once we're out of this market, people are going to look at drip and be like, that is a project that made it through a bearish market, rough times. So think about what this thing is going to do when we're in a bull market. That's why right now, the best thing that you can do with drip is buy more drip and make sure you're hitting this hydrate button, because this is going to pay off, man. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you, I've seen it happen before when drip was low. It obviously was a different market at that point. But when this thing takes off, you are going to be rewarded if you're one of those people that were building your bags here. And that is also the same when it comes to the drip garden, guys. Keep compounding, add fresh drip. $10 drip is a blessing. Do not see it as, you know, it's down. Why should I get it now? Or it's going to go to $5. I'm telling you, you're going to miss that train. But enough on my rant. I really just wanted to provide, you know, why I think drip is the best thing in crypto right now. It is paying out 1% every single day, no matter what. It doesn't matter if Bitcoin is $10,000, $5,000, $100,000. Drip is paying out 1% every single day. And if you can find some kind of other token right now that's paying out 1% a day and is stable like this, please let me know. Actually, what you can do is you can bring yourself over to the Bag Builders Telegram. Go ahead and join this. If you want to join, all you have to do is get the link in the description below. Join the Bag Builders Telegram, and hey, drop it in the chat. If you have something like that, we would love to see it. And that's not me being a smart ass, whatever. That's actually me wanting to be educated on it. If there's something else out there that's paying like drip and is stable like drip, has a good dev like drip, please lead us to the water, and no pun intended. But also talking about drip, guys, I did want to remind you that we do have the Bag Builders drip lottery. As you can see here, we're going to have one winner, a 50 drip prize pot. The winner will be chosen using the spinner wheel, and all you have to do is be on the team and deposit drip into the faucet. I was going to announce that tomorrow, but I want to extend this out a little bit more just so we can get more people eligible for this and just give somebody the opportunity to win a life-changing amount of drip. Once that thing is back up to $100, that's $5,000 worth of drip just for being on the team and just by investing into the faucet. So all you have to do to be eligible here, as it tells you, is you just have to join the team. All you have to do is make a deposit into the faucet. Then each deposit into the faucet is going to count as one. Sorry guys, this is messing around with me. All you have to do is make a drip deposit into the faucet. It has to be new drip. It cannot be a hydrate. Each drip is going to count as one entry. So if you deposit 5 drip, you go to the swap, you buy 5 drip for $50, you deposit it into the faucet, that is 5 entries. I count it pre-tax. So if you buy 5 drip and deposit 5 drip, I'm not going to sit there and say 4.5. I'm going to give you the full 5, and then we are in a draw for it based on everybody who bought drip within this time period, and then one person is going to win 50 drip. So I'm going to extend this out. I don't know exactly when I'm going to close it. I'm probably going to do maybe one more week, so we might actually do this drawing on July 1st is kind of what I'm thinking. But definitely join the Telegram group if you have any kind of questions. All you have to do is join the link below in the description for the Bag Builders. And, you know, if you just want a good community to talk about different crypto, you know, just be eligible for our daily airdrops that we do every single day. Join the team, guys. We're over here building the bag. It doesn't matter if it's a bear market, a bull market, lion market. It don't matter what kind of market it is. We're over here building the bag as always. So definitely feel free to join that. Now, really, like I said, guys, just wanted to give you an update, tell you why drip is the best thing that's paying right now. If you want a good team and you want to join mine, all you have to do is get my buddy address. Come here to the Get a Buddy section, enter it here, hit update, deposit 1 drip, and then you are on the best team in drip. That's always my best thing, right? Or my biggest thing is I don't want to make the biggest team. I want to have the best team. So definitely feel free to join the team. Drip is paying out 1% every single day. Every day, guys. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin is. It doesn't matter what all those other prices are. Drip is paying 1% every single day. So make sure you guys are doing what you need to do. Keep hitting that compound button. Keep building your bags here. Make sure that you guys check out the Telegram. Like I said, we are the Bag Builders. Make sure you guys check out the Twitter and Instagram at scrypto101. There's always going to be some content on there that doesn't make it to the videos. And then make sure that you guys comment, like, subscribe. As always, I appreciate all the feedback and just everybody that is sticking through these hard times. We got to join together as a community. We all love crypto, so we got to join together as a community and make this thing work. So keep doing your thing. Everybody keep building your bags, and drip's going to keep doing what it's been doing, and that is dripping.